Hello friends, I am Pronoto Bhumik and you are watching my YouTube channel. Today I have bought my new UPS. The brand is APC. That means it is a American product and it is 360 watts, and they have also give 3 years warranty including the battery. There are also battery saver, surge protection and automatic voltage regulations. On the top I can show you that the 15-inch LCD monitor can run 27 minutes when the battery saver is off, and when the battery saver is on it will become 14 minutes and some others. Now let's take a look on its manufacturing date. Oh, it's August 17th. That means it is recently made and the MRP is too high. That is 3428. Oh, but the actual price is not that. I have bought it in 2200 rupees excluding the GST tax, and the GST tax has taken 198 rupees in this UPS. I have bought it from Haldia and the name of the shop is Harden Shop. Let's look inside the box. When we open the box, you can see there are some documents in the pouch. Some APC's logo is there, and this is, I think, the address sheet where you can write your details, maybe. Oh, this is your warranty card for 3 years and some other documents, and this is the user manual. You should go through the user manual thoroughly, because it will help you to understand the specifications of the UPS. Look at that, it is safe and secure in the middle of the box. Oh, it's too much heavy. I think it should be around 10 or 12 kgs in weight. And this is quite good in first look. Let's take it out. The color is quite black, the plastic is better. Oh, this is I think the test report, and it has passed all the tests. This is the front of the UPS, quite good. This is the logo, and on the side you can see some holes are made for ventilation on the both sides. Okay, that's good. On the back you can see the sockets are available in 2 different directions, and some writings, and also the warranty seal, that is important. Okay, it looks great. Now it's time to plug it in the switchboard. This is my switchboard, and let's the power on. Let's see, the green LED is on. That means the battery is charging. Yes, the battery is charging. When the green LED will become red, that means you have to replace the battery, and when it is off, that means it is fully charged. And there are also battery saver. This is the button of battery saver, and this is the power button. You can make it on. I have just on it. To turn on the battery saver, you have to push it and release it after 1 second after the beep sound. That means it extends your battery life. This green LED shows that the power are coming through the cable into your UPS and it is charging your battery, and the battery saver is extending your battery life. Now turn it off. It's good. From the back side it also looks great. You can also see the opposite sides through the holes. That means it is hollow in the middle, and this is the battery. Okay. On the top you can see the customer care number and its email also, that is toll free. I think this is a good product and you can believe in it, and I think it will not disappoint you. In this price I think it is the best advanced UPS, and the APC company is well known all over the world. Please like and subscribe for free, and thanks for watching.